What's up everyone, it's me, yours, True John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries. For today, we're back for another reaction video for ASAP Natin To, and this is for ASAP Concert presents JK or Juan Carlos. Yes, grabe, exciting to dahil magkakaroon ng concert si JK sa MOA Arena. Siyempre, support tayo kay JK. Napanood ko yung interview niya kay Sir OG at talaga naman, mas parang na-in-love ako sa kanya dito. Oo, grabe. Nakita ko kung gaano siya ka-genuine and paano natin siya pwedeng i-support, and to show our love for JK. Dahil parang deserve na talaga, hindi parang, but he really deserves our support because he's a new breed of kind of vocal sa OPM. Nakakaiba, the way he sings, very genuine and very heartfelt, and of course pinaiyak niya tayo sa Lolo and the Kid. Grabe din yun, yung rendition niya ng Through the Years. Grabe, nakakaiyak. Kaya naman gusto ko siyang reactan for today dahil gusto kong isupport ang kanyang upcoming concert. At syempre sa concert details na yan, tignan nyo na lang sa ating dyan sa description kung paano kayo makaka-support kay JK, kasi nasa Malaysia ako, hindi tayo makaka-uwi to watch the concert. Kaya naman dito ko na lang i-experience the JK Labajo way. Kaya naman pahinantay natin, guys. If you're ready, of course, let's go. Check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Ibang rakrakan to pag si JK. Tsaka ang pogi niya. Ano kaya kantahin niya? 5 taon.
Tapon sa isang kape.
Very chill pero iba yung dating.
Hanggang ngayon, ikaw ang nasa isip.
Very sexy, no? Sultry male vocal.
Inaamin kung ako'y nasaktan. Kung sinabi mo sa akin, ikaw ay mas masaya.
Heartbreak pala to.
Ikaw na lang lagi. Ngunit ako naman muna.
The emotion, grabe. Si kasama niya sa senior high. Si Atayde apelido, charit. Grabe emotion ni JK sa pagkanta. Yung passion.
Lalakad ng mag-isang walang kamba.
Parang lasing lang charit.
Akala ko ikaw na nga ang siyang habang buhay. Inaamin kung ako'y nasaktan nung sinabi mo sa akin tayo ay di meant to be. Throughout the years, it was always you, but now
Ibang iba siya pag kumakanta na sa stage. Ganda. Hey! Ganda ng camera angles. Mamahalin ko naman ang lalaki na nakikita sa salamin. Grabe, the emotion. Hey! Pagod. Grabe, paano pa kung live concert to? Hey! Galing ng setup ng stage. Iba talaga mag-debut ang ASAP, guys. Very passionate. Uy, may pa MTV, oo. Pa music video pala ito. Ang ganda ng harmony ng banda. May paras kaming jacket. Charit. Mama. Oh, iba. Grabe. Diba? The facial expression, the emotion. Kabog! Hey! Galing! There you have it, guys. That is Juan Carlos singing Limang Taon in ASAP stage. Grabe, the concert feels, yung passion niya sa pagkanta plus the facial expression. Tapos meron pa tayong parang pa-music video effect. Iba rin talaga mag-execute itong si JK ng isang performance. Not only yung vocals but the way he moves, yung kanyang paggalaw and yung paglakad sa stage, he owns it. And talaga naman, kung mapapanood nyo to in a live concert feels, nako, kung sa TV pa lang to nakita, naramdaman nyo na yung concert feels. Paano pa kaya pag manood kayo ng kanyang concert? Kaya naman support natin si JK, guys, on his first solo concert sa MOA Arena. O, para naman akong bayad dito to promote everything. But of course, syempre, gusto lang natin i-support si JK kasi talagang na-touch ako sa interview niya. And he is such a talented artist from the Philippines. So, kaya naman, kailangan niya at he deserve our support. And of course, kailangan ko rin ng support nyo, guys. Kaya naman don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.